work of spiritual nature requires individuals to engage in self-reflection through a profound, honest, and unguarded examination of themselves, devoid of indulgence or pretense. Through work, humans reveal intelligence and creative capability. Work nurtures both the energies of the body and spirit. By developing these energies, one connects with higher forces. Hence, work holds the value of positive influence. No matter how indolent a person may be, they will always have to work, which means struggling against negative instincts to avoid descending to the level of irrational animals. Idleness leads to degradation. Life is not just about physical labor, but also includes spiritual work. In the face of the inconsistency of present actions, the world does not cease its organization, transformation, and maintenance of both material and spiritual life.